Hey everyone, in this version of the summary episode for Formulation, please enjoy my formulation essay of Bruce Wayne, aka Batman.
Bruce Wayne, aka Batman, is a 40-year-old vigilante currently presenting with what appears to be a depressive episode in the context of the recent anniversary of his parents' murder, as well as ongoing physical and mental stresses from his vigilante activity and an increasing use of opioid analgesics. His symptoms on presentation include a 2-week history of low mood, increasing tiredness, insomnia, and anxiety. Additional collateral history reveals a declining ability to concentrate and a difficulty in maintaining social and professional responsibilities. Bruce's current psychological vulnerability might stem from witnessing the murder of his parents at the age of 10, which is a potent, traumatic event that will represent a significant insult to his neurodevelopment. Additionally, the death of his parents left him to mature in a relatively isolated environment with no other family or close friends aside from his butler Alfred, further compromising his neurodevelopment. His current vigilante activity might be seen as an unhealthy coping strategy to deal with his feelings of loss and guilt over the deaths of his parents. The trigger for his current presentation appears to be the anniversary of his parents' death and is sustained by multiple ongoing factors, namely his inability to seek professional care in addressing his loss, the ongoing physical and mental stresses experienced in his nightly vigilante work, escalating analgesic medication use, and his continued self-imposed social isolation. Fortunately, Bruce has demonstrated good insight and judgment in his current health-seeking behavior. Additionally, he is highly intelligent and motivated in other areas of his life, with access to unlimited financial resources that could be channeled towards his recovery. His surrogate father figure Alfred, as well as his fellow crime-fighting colleagues, are genuinely concerned for his well-being and have pledged their support in assisting Bruce through his current difficulties.